Home from home. Right now, this is home. One, two, three, and go. Rise and shine. 9 to 5. Tumble out of bed. Stumble in the kitchen. 9 to 5. Make it a great day. Focus on what you can control. How will you show up? How you do anything is how you do everything. Possibilities await. Set the standard now. The biggest risk in life is not risking. The victory is in the attempt. If you fail, fail forward. So many thoughts, so many thoughts, so many thoughts. Wim Hof breathing. Zoom out. Just think about this moment. Take flight. If it gets harder, I go harder. Do what sets your soul on fire. I just accept it for what it is. The bus has no brakes, and one day it stops, so keep looking forward.